Three remaining robots in the last whiteboard of the day, or the last battle of the day.
Get ready.
Who's it gonna be?
2, 1, begin.
Roll out the barrel. We got a barrel of fun. It's spinner versus spinner and lifter. Oh my goodness me! Look at the bar! Oh my gosh! So it looks like Binky took a massive hit there with the bar on the cage. I think he probably did more damage to his machine than he did to the bar. So he's just rubbing salt in the wound right now. He's going to stick him in the pit regardless, isn't he? Go on then. Stick him in.
3, 2, 1, ceasefire.
So, what an entertaining and brutal last final whiteboard. The winner is Tormenta. Oh, he's going to take the little, that's it, scoop up the little rabbit, or the little chicken, or the little bunny, and stick that in the pit.